unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for FabFitFun. If you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. It includes things like makeup, skincare, hair care, home goods, accessories. It even has some pieces of clothing available if you like something like that. Now, this is the fall box. You get 4 boxes a year, each quarter, for $55 each box. Or the price goes down if you pay for an annual membership, which is $199. You also get a lot of perks. You get add-on sales, special sales for members. It's a nice box. The quarterly box, folks can choose up to 4 items in their box. Annual members get to customize the entire box. So that is something to take into consideration. I do a quarterly box. I just choose the quarterly box instead of paying for the annual. Look at this fun box. Really pretty. And we're going to open it. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So as you open it, that's what it looks like. On top we have a coupon for Daily Harvest. Get $40 off your first box with that code. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and use that code. And then next we have the FabFitFun magazine, which talks about how to use the products in your box. They have recipes and they have all kinds of information about products. But one thing that this does not have is a list of the products that's inside my box. I do have to go online and look it up so that I can tell you what's in my box. So we have some packing paper. And look at my box! Now, I did take advantage of some add-on sales. So let me scroll down so that I can pull out my add-ons. Okay, so the first thing that I added on for $8.99 are these winter bath bombs. All the warm and fizzies. Lose yourself in the wintry cinnamon aroma with these winter bath bombs. Natural ingredients like sea salt, sweet almond oil, witch hazel extract, and vitamin E will leave you with a soothing feeling, both mind and body. They are cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, vegan. Let's take a whiff. Isn't that pretty how they have it packaged? This might just slide off. Yeah. Okay. And we do have a little piece of tape here. Wow, these are big bath bombs. Let's see how they smell. It smells like those red hot cinnamon candies. That's what it smells like. Let's just take a peek. And they are wrapped in a little bit of a plastic wrap. And there's no fancy colors or anything, but we'll see what happens in the water. My second add-on is from Spongel. This is the men's super buffer with built-in body wash. It scrubs, cleanses, hydrates all in one. Now this one is called Verbena Absolute. And you can get like 28 washes up here. That's what that says. You can use it about 28 times. Wow, it's so big. Look at the size of this one. It's jam-packed. It smells like a good smelling man. So I got that for my husband. We'll see if he likes it. Now, this was only $7. Normally, it's around $20. So I got a really good deal on this. My next add-on is by Short Stories. This is a coaster set of 4. These are sand coasters. I got them for $19. They're normally $29. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Let's check this out. These are sand coasters. Oh, nice. They feel ceramic, but they're sand coasters. And they have the little felt feet on there. Is that felt or rubber? Actually, that feels like a rubber. And there are 4 of them. Let's see if they're all the same. Yeah, they are all the same. And I'm happy to get these because my coasters have had it. The next thing that I added on for $7, this is normally $17.99. It is Green Goo Pain Relief Balm, which I definitely need. I have major back problems, and it would be nice to have something to put on that feels good, that does something. So let's take a look at this. It's a power-packed arnica to temporarily help ease with aching of arthritis, sore muscles, bruises, and strains. It has arnica montana flower in it, which is what the active ingredient is. Let's see. Looks like that. Yeah, it feels like a balm. So it just kind of melts under your finger. And you don't see anything when you put it on. Oh, it smells so good. It's probably that flower in there, but it smells very good. It's not too flowery at all. It does smell good. I like it. But we'll have to see if it works. Now, keep in mind, I do product reviews every few months where I use things like this for a while, and then I'll come back and report it to you so that you know if these products are any good. So that was the last of my add-ons. So now let's just get to the box itself. Okay, this is Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Mineral Milk Bath. It's an emollient and mineral rich. It gently cleanses. Now this retails for $38. Let's see. I'm going to open the seal because I plan on using it. It has a nice fresh smell to it. I can't really pour it out because it's really liquidy. It looks like milk. It's white. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it is white and it smells really good. Oh, I can't wait to use this. It's sit back, relax, and allow this indulgent yet effective milk bath cleanse, moisturize, and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. It moisturizes and softens. It helps soothe the skin, and it gently cleanses. I'm happy to get that. The next thing by Cloud Nola. Cloud Nola. Which is, what is this? Oh, I have no idea what this is yet. It comes with a cord and some batteries. Is it a clock? Ooh, is it a clock? It's a block clock. Oh, I don't see it listed here. comes in bubble wrap. Look at this. Oh, how cool. So that's what it looks like, just your basic clock. And here's what it's supposed to look like when it's plugged in. And it has all of the buttons that you need to set your clock on the back. Is it an alarm as well? Keep it simple and minimalistic. This 3-in-1 LED alarm clock will become everyone's friend. At just 2.52 inches square, it's discreet, minimalistic, and fabulously funky, and will wake you up. Not just that, it will tell you the time and temperature and date. Wow! So it's an alarm clock that you can use batteries, or you can use a USB cord. Wow, that's kind of cool. I love that. I don't know the value of it because it's not listed here. The next thing right here, this is Winter Flower Embroidery Kit. This values at $65. And I think that this is the pattern. I think that's very cute. Let's take a peek at it. So it comes with the canvas, the wood round you need, an embroidery circle, and it comes with all of the thread you need. Nice! I have a little craft thing to do while I sit and watch TV. The next thing is the body wash. Who is it by? I don't see this on my page either. Very minimalistic packaging. The body wash is a daily multivitamin cleanser for the skin. Apply all over, massage for rich foam in the event of contact with eyes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Cleanse, nourish, and soften. It has a gel texture, and it says that the scent is eucalyptus. So let's take a look. Oh yes, I do have this. This is a value of $25. This is plastic. So let's take a whiff. It does smell like eucalyptus. Fun. Nice body wash. Smells good. Next thing is by Skin Chemists of London. It's the Pure Collagen Biphase Serum. See the word there? Biphase? I don't know. Biphase. Okay. Biphase. So let's take a look at it. Oh, it's got a sticker on it. Ooh, this is glass. Collagen 5% serum. That'll really help your skin with fine lines and wrinkles, though, you know, you probably can't really tell all that well here because the lights do kind of hide it, but my face looks like a road map. So I'm hoping that things like this actually help it a little bit, plump it up a little so I don't look so pruny. But this stuff is worth $39.90. Let's take a look. I don't smell anything. Oh, little bit does go a very long way. I just put 1 drop and it's covering the top of my hand. There's no smell. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the cleansed skin. Now, collagen aims to improve the appearance of the skin's texture and firmness. Now, this company is known best for creating advanced skin treatments that deliver real results, all using the latest high-quality active ingredients from all over the world. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing if that works for me. I have a $60 gift card for Bright Sellers, if you're interested in that. I have 2 things left in my box. This is, it's a nice little bag. It says Fit Plan. Now, these are those resistance bands, and it comes in a nice little bag that you can keep it all together. Now, these retail for $67.97, so $68. And, ooh, and here we go. We have the 3 different resistance bands, and you can pile them up together to be really resistant if you like. But, you know, I'm sometimes laid up because of my illnesses. I am facing some surgeries that are going to need some therapy, and I'm thinking that these will help, so these are kind of good timing. And not sure what this is for. Maybe around a doorknob or something. I am not sure. I will have to figure this out. I bet it is a doorknob. I don't know. I have no idea. There's nothing in there that tells me what it's for either, so I guess I'll have to look it up and figure that out. The last thing is by Phantom Chef. It's an 8-inch fry pan. It's non-stick, PFOA and PTFE free, and it is dishwasher safe. And it works for all cooktops. Now, here are all the colors that it's available in. I don't know what color I got, so let's see. This pan is a value of $40, and it comes nicely packaged. Ooh, it looks like I have a dark blue one. Look how pretty that color is. Look at the handle. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, and there's a little indentation here, like maybe for your thumb or to rest a spoon, perhaps. And it has the even cook bottom so that the entire bottom heats evenly. So I really like that in my cookware. And I'm excited to use this. It's perfect for eggs or little leftover things. Now, the value of my box came to $275.87. I got all this stuff for only $55. Now, if you are interested in trying FabFitFun, I can get you a starter box free, but it's $5 for shipping, and that's so worth it. They're going to go ahead and randomly choose some things for you, and you get to experience that. Now, if you do try to get a free box, and you don't want to get the next box, within like 13 days or something, you have to cancel. Otherwise, they're going to charge you for the next season's box. And if you are interested in trying it, give me a little message down below and I will get your information and we'll go ahead and take care of that for you. And that is all I have for you today. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.